Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a custom email address using G Suite. So G Suite gives you an opportunity to purchase custom email address to match your domain name. You can pick any email address that you want, as long as you are the owner of the domain name. So, how to get started? Go to gsuite.google.com. The address is in the video description, and click on Get Started. And on the next page, you will need to put a few more details about the business. So, I'll just put business of rock paper copy. Number of employees, including you. So, just put as many employees as you've got. Country is detected automatically, so you can leave it as it is. You can change it if you want. What's your contact info? So you can put your contact info, obviously. Current email address, obviously put the email address that you are using, because you will be getting confirmation on this email address, obviously the one that you can access easily. Does your business have a domain name? If you do, click on yes, I can have one. If you don't, obviously you can click here, and probably Google will give you few options. So let's search. Let's see what it gives us. So let's see. I know that rockpapercopy.net is .com is taken. So we'll see if. Okay, so you can purchase for €10 per year, which is absolutely affordable. So which is brilliant. So this is hosted by by G Suite. But so this is a possibility. But for example, if I want to connect it with my current domain name, I can easily do it as well. So I will connect it this way. Next. It's already in use, yeah, because I connected my email address already on G Suite, so I'll use this one, which is also my other domain name. Email sent to rockpapercopy.online won't be affected until you set up the email with that account. Okay, click on next. Share great ideas with Google. We'll send you occasional emails with helpful tips. So okay, you don't have to, obviously. You can click no thank you, and then you pick Alias with I'm not sure how it is. I think it is catch all, but I'm sure you can set it up later. So catch all, for example, it means that all the prefix such as sales at rockpapercopy.online or Maggie at rockpapercopy.info or ask go to the same email address. But we'll just put one for now. Password, some kind of password. Okay, I'm not a robot. Agree and continue. And now the whole thing is being set up for you in the background. Once the email is activated, you would need to go to your domain name provider and obviously set up the redirect, but you will get instructions how to do it. It's very easy. And okay, flexible plan is only €8 per month. So this is hosting your email address, which is brilliant. So you can downgrade to G Suite Basic, and so on and so forth. Okay, so click next. You can obviously change the currency if you want. Okay, so you can review the information that you have just put. Name and address. So you can put your business address here. Payment method. Okay, so you will have to put your payment method in order to complete the payment. Put the address. Obviously, I won't be doing it now, but you know how to how to do it. Basically, this is how you get started with G Suite. After you put your payment information and you put your address details, you will be directed to the admin area, where you will get instructions how to set up the how to do the settings on your domain name, and this is it. So this is only 8 euro per month, so I think it's about $10, 10 US dollars, and this is really affordable. This is really powerful because it is using the same platform, the same powerful platform as Gmail. And I love Gmail because it has got absolutely no limits, which is unusual with professional email addresses. They usually come with some kind of download limits or some kind of limitations as to how many emails you can get or how many emails you can send. And I have been through various email addresses, professional email address providers, and they always under deliver by the end of the day. So I do recommend G Suite as it's the most comprehensive and it's the most powerful. And I hope you found this review useful. If you did, please leave your comment below under this video, and as always, please subscribe and visit me on www.rockpapercopy.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.